Hello everyone, welcome to another video presentation. My name is Ice once again from Technique Force. Today we will have a short story about a simple but powerful symbol. It's called hashtags. Before, hashtags was just a simple pound sign you can normally see on a telephone. But back in the days when everyone had a landline, it was used for speed dial, call forwarding, or to utilize certain feature depending on your phone company. Until a cute little blue bird flew in and turned this simple symbol into a phenomenal online sensation. Nowadays, whether you are on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media platform, you cannot deny the exceptional presence of a hashtag. But what really is a hashtag? Hashtag might seem confusing to others who are fairly new to the field of social media, but when you dig deeper into it, you will understand them better and you will learn that they are a powerful tool to grow your social media impact and connect with your audience. With millions of posts published every minute on all channels of social media, it can be hard to break the wall. It will be challenging to stand out and be heard, unless of course they are one of your followers. And here's where hashtag comes to the rescue. Though it is just a simple symbol, once utilized, followed by your keyword or phrase, it can be distinguished by the system, making it discoverable to everyone, regardless if they are your follower or not. I will be showing you how to use it. We are now at our Twitter homepage. Now click on the tweet icon located on the upper right portion of the screen. After that, it will prompt a new window which lets you compose new tweets. Now for instance, if your company has to do with fashion, you can add hashtag trendy on your Twitter post to get the attention of those people with passion for the latest outfit and fashion in general. So all you have to do is to, let's say we are having a big sale. Then add the hashtag trendy. Now, power of hashtag lets you reach all users that has same interest in similar topics with your content. You can use this symbol to boost your brand's visibility. You may also add in a photo or video file, a GIF file. Then just click on tweet. However, one must never abuse the use of hashtags, or else all your efforts will be worthless. I've read an article once and they gave out few tips on how to use hashtags wisely. Now first is to keep it short. It will be easier for people to remember and search for it. Number 2, don't overuse. Avoid putting it with every word in your sentence. And lastly, of course, you have to think strategically. Experiment and look for an effective hashtag that would help your brand go unnoticed. To sum it all up, hashtag is an effective symbol you can use to call the attention of your audiences. But let us not forget to use it properly to avoid getting all our efforts into nothing. That's about it everyone. Thank you for watching. Till our next video. Bye!